So, as I unbox this neck and back massager, I want to go over some things that I feel are important. So this is a massager and it's kind of hard to explain exactly how it feels, and while I'm going to mainly focus on its function, I did have like 5 different people of various ages and sizes try this, so I'll bring up their feedback as I go. So as you can see, it's packaged really well. Everything was bagged up and neat. Thought was clearly put into preventing shipping damage, which is always something I like to see. After you take off the bag and start opening up the chair, you'll find the user manual and the warranty card. Under the detachable and washable flap, you will find the remote. On the flap is a quick start guide with all the functions of the remote. And on the side of the massager, there's a pocket for the remote to go into when not in use. There is no setup needed to get that first massage. Simply take out the power supply, connect it to the massager, plug it into an outlet, place it on a chair, and you're good to go. The neck part of the massager also has a removable and washable cover. It also has a heating element you can turn on separately from the lower back heating element. You can see it here down the middle, and then there's the 2 adjustable rollers on the sides. Because of the ability to change the rotation of the neck massage and the ability to adjust the rollers up and down to get exactly the spot you wanted, this neck massage feature everyone unanimously agreed felt amazing and that they wouldn't change anything about it. The back part of the massager also has several styles and settings. Only one person preferred the back massager without the optional cover, but for the sake of seeing the rollers work, I'm going to show it without it. So when you turn this on, it automatically sets for a full back rotating type massage that goes like this. Then, you can change it to just a rolling massage that just moves up and down without rotation. You can also set spot massage that will keep the rollers rotating in one spot to really focus on problem areas. You can also select full back, upper back, lower back, and when you turn on the heat, the color of the massager changes from blue to red. Now for the vibrating part of this massager, the reviews were mixed. Half the people that tried it felt it was not necessary and didn't do much. There are several built-in vibrators into the lower sides and some on the seat. The other half said it was nice and it gave a more full body massage type of feeling. I think it's one of those things more up to personal preference, but for me, I could take it or leave it. But overall, this is a well-built massager that does a great job of covering most of the back and neck. It also has many settings to fit most people's preferences. With the built-in rigid back, allowing it to be placed on almost any type of chair, it's really versatile. I tested it on several chairs and I find adding it to an already comfortable chair works the best.